Have you ever wondered how a nation can transform its military capabilities in just a few decades? Today, we dive into one of the most fascinating stories of military advancement. From being a technological underdog to becoming a leader in unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) technology, China has made remarkable strides. But what does this mean for global security and military balance? Let's unravel the story of China's UAV Attack 11 and the challenges it presents. In 1945, the United States unveiled the atomic bomb, a pivotal moment that reshaped global military dynamics. Fast forward to today, and the landscape of military technology has evolved dramatically. The US remains a dominant force, boasting advancements like the Ford-class supercarriers and the AARGM-ER missile systems, capable of flying at Mach 3.5 with a range of up to 300 kilometers. However, another nation has been making significant strides in catching up: China. China's journey from a technologically underdeveloped nation to a leading military power is nothing short of extraordinary. Particularly impressive is its progress in the field of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. The UAV Attack 11, dubbed the champion of long-range drones with a range of up to 4,000 kilometers, has captured global attention, even surpassing some metrics of the US B-2 stealth bomber. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe to support our channel. Let's delve deeper into the story. Since the turn of the 21st century, China's advancements in military science and technology have been remarkable. In various sectors, including weapon systems, fighter jets, missiles, satellites, and aircraft carriers, China has achieved significant progress. A notable milestone was on January 11, 2011, when China's domestically developed J-20 stealth fighter jet successfully completed its first test flight. This aircraft's advanced stealth materials significantly enhance its stealth capabilities, reducing radar detection likelihood. By October 1, 2019, during the military parade commemorating the 70th anniversary of the founding of China, new breakthroughs were showcased. The Dongfang 41 intercontinental ballistic missile, a three-stage solid fuel missile with an estimated range of about 14,000 kilometers and capable of hypersonic speeds, was unveiled. This missile's agility enables it to penetrate modern missile defense systems effectively. Moving forward, as of May 2024, China's third aircraft carrier, named Fujian, has employed the latest electromagnetic catapult technology and has conducted its second sea trial. To enhance the combat capabilities of the Fujian, China plans to equip it with the new Attack 11 drones. The Attack 11 project began in 2009 under the name SWORD. After 4 years of meticulous research and development, SWORD successfully completed its first flight in November 2013. The design of the SWORD, with its wing shape resembling the American X-47B aircraft, earned it the nickname Little B-2. Following its successful maiden flight, SWORD disappeared from public view for nearly 6 years, adding an element of mystery. When the military parade commemorating the 70th anniversary of the founding of the People's Republic of China took place on October 1, 2019, the Sharp Sword drone once again captured public attention. During its period of absence, the Sharp Sword was renamed Attack 11 UAV and underwent a series of research, testing, and improvements to enhance its performance and operational capabilities. With new advancements, the Attack 11 stands out with significantly improved stealth performance. The aircraft features a flying wing design, making its body and tail less conspicuous, and is coated with modern stealth materials over its entire triangular structure. These characteristics not only enhance its ability to evade radar detection, but also improve its operational effectiveness in military missions. The Attack 11 is designed with many advanced features to maximize its stealth capabilities. Its wing edges and control surfaces are beveled to reduce radar reflections, while the nose of the aircraft integrates serpentine air intakes to minimize losses and enhance stealth. The tail nozzles are also designed to reduce infrared signals, making the UAV more difficult to detect by infrared tracking devices. These improvements reduce the chances of being identified by radar and other detection devices and help scatter and absorb radar waves effectively. With these superior features, the Attack 11 is rated to have stealth capabilities that surpass those of the American B-2 stealth bomber, reaching the world's leading advanced level. Regarding its armament, the Attack 11 is equipped with advanced electronic warfare systems and airborne early warning systems capable of jamming and disrupting the opponent's electronic devices, weakening the enemy's defensive and offensive capabilities. These technologies enhance the UAV's self-defense capabilities and enable it to perform complex and highly effective attack missions in modern combat environments. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe to support our channel. The Attack 11 UAV is not only an unmanned platform capable of flying at hypersonic speeds up to Mach 3.5, but also has a significant operational range of up to 4,000 kilometers. Chinese engineers actively addressed issues of endurance and performance throughout the design and development of the Attack 11. Using advanced aerodynamic technology during manufacturing, engineers optimized the design to reduce air resistance, improving fuel efficiency, range, and speed. Internally, the Attack 11 is equipped with 2 turbofan engines, each with a maximum power output of 12 kilowatts, allowing it to maintain high speed and operational altitude for extended periods. Additionally, it has the capability to carry a variety of advanced munitions and weapons, significantly enhancing its combat capabilities compared to weapons like the US Tomahawk cruise missile. The combination of stealth features, energy efficiency, and advanced weapon capability makes the Attack 11 a superior UAV attack platform, demonstrating significant progress in China's unmanned military technology. The emergence of the Attack 11 not only represents a leap in China's drone technology, but also showcases the country's rapid catch-up in modern military capabilities. Although starting later than the United States in military UAV development, China has achieved remarkable advancements, evidenced by the Attack 11 aerial refueling capability, allowing for extended operation and reduced dependency on ground refueling points. Military experts carefully plan the flight path, speed, and altitude of the UAV to optimize mission efficiency and avoid adverse conditions. China's rapid progress in military UAVs, particularly with the Attack 11, has surprised the United States. The US acknowledges that China is not only catching up, but also surpassing in some aspects of modern military technology. This robust development by China is sure to significantly impact the balance of power both regionally and globally. The American RQ-180 drone is a prime example of advanced stealth technology and high performance in military aviation. Developed from the foundations of aircraft like the F-17, F-22, and F-35, the RQ-180 aims to improve and optimize broad-spectrum multidirectional radar evasion capabilities. This aircraft officially entered service with the 427th Reconnaissance Squadron in 2019 after its successful maiden flight in 2010. Although the United States has not disclosed much specific performance data about the RQ-180, Russia has recognized and regarded this aircraft as an unparalleled threat, attesting to its superior combat capabilities. This UAV can fly continuously for up to 24 hours and has a maximum operational range of over 2,000 kilometers, highlighting its endurance and versatility in reconnaissance and surveillance missions. The United States RQ-180 UAV is equipped with advanced avionics systems, including an active electronically scanned array radar and passive electronic surveillance equipment, enabling it to effectively carry out reconnaissance, detection, and intelligence gathering missions, as well as electronic attack capabilities. With its top-tier combat capabilities, the RQ-180 now undertakes reconnaissance and jamming missions, replacing the RQ-4 aircraft. Its exceptional stealth allows it to operate more covertly in combat scenarios. While China's attack the 11th of May still have a technical gap compared to the RQ-180, China's massive production capacity could potentially allow it to surpass the US in quantity and technological iteration in the future, opening the possibility for stronger competition in this field. What are your thoughts on China's stealth UAV Attack 11? Share with us in the comments below. To avoid missing out on our future projects and updates, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications.